Good morning and welcome to the Belmont Forum application tutorial for the Thematic Program Office and a group of program coordinators. My name is Judith Ungvari and I am the Secretariat Coordinator of the Belmont Forum. If you are part of the Theme Program Office or TPO or the group of program coordinators, the GPC, then this application guide is for you. In this tutorial, we will begin with an overview of the Belmont Forum application process. We will then discuss the roles of key actors in the application process, review the application timeline for a typical call, take an in-depth look at the process itself, and finish with a quiz to test your knowledge. After completing this tutorial, you should be able to understand the roles of key actors involved and know the BFGO application timeline and process. Let's begin with an introduction on the application process. The Belmont Forum periodically announces calls for applications for collaborative research actions, or CRAs. Call announcements are made through the belmontforum.org website and the Belmont Forum Grant Operations System, or bfgo.org. Belmont Forum applicants are required to submit registration materials and full proposals through BFGO for all calls. The Thematic Program Office works closely with the Secretariat Coordinator to handle call logistics, including scheduling, document management, and application review. BFGO is compliant with the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation and EU, United States, and Swiss-US Privacy Shield frameworks. Now let's take a look at the role of key actors involved in the application process. The group of program coordinators works with the Thematic Program Office to develop the call text, implementation plan, and timeline. The Thematic Program Office helps form the group of program coordinators and works with the GPC to develop the call text, implementation plan, and timeline, and to implement a review plan with input from the group of program coordinators. The Secretariat Coordinator serves as the principal point of contact between the Secretariat and other actors. The BFGO provider configures, maintains, and updates BFGO. Each project has a consortium lead responsible for submitting a project on behalf of all principal investigators. We will now review an application timeline for a sample CRA. The application process begins with call opening preparation done by the Thematic Program Office, group of program coordinators, Secretariat Coordinator, and the BFGO provider. The call is then announced on belmontforum.org. The consortium lead must prepare and submit registration materials through BFGO for the registration review, which is coordinated by the Secretariat Coordinator, the Thematic Program Office, and the BFGO provider. Once the registration review is complete, the consortium lead submits the full proposal through BFGO. Please note that the registration and registration review processes are only applicable to two-staged CRAs. Let's move to understanding the application process itself. The application process can be broken down into two principal phases: call opening preparation and proposal ingress. The Thematic Program Office, Secretariat Coordinator, BFGO provider, and group of program coordinators all work closely together during the call opening preparation. The call opening preparation begins with a meeting between the Thematic Program Office and the Secretariat Coordinator. The Secretariat Coordinator provides the Thematic Program Office with boilerplate documents. Most require little or no modifications. A set of standard call documents can be found on the right of the screen. The Thematic Program Office then coordinates the scheduling for the call with the Secretariat Coordinator and the BFGO provider to establish the application dates. The TPO returns the packet of updated call documents and funding annexes to the Secretariat Coordinator for maintenance and publication. To allow time for setup, The Thematic Program Office should finalize registration and proposal forms and instructions early in the call opening process. The Secretariat Coordinator prepares updates with the BFGO provider. Please keep in mind that the application process can vary from call to call. The Thematic Program Office may choose either a 1- or 2-staged process. For a 2-staged process, applicants register. The Thematic Program Office reviews registration and then invites approved applicants to submit a full proposal. While the Belmont Forum strives for consistency, there is room for a few CRA-specific questions. The Thematic Program Office should communicate needs for these to the Secretariat Coordinator. If a quick turnaround is required, the Thematic Program Office and Secretariat Coordinator may elect to do a staged call opening, where the call documents are posted immediately and the registration/application opening date is set to a future time. After registration and proposal materials are finalized, the BFGO provider and Secretariat Coordinator will work together to set up the online infrastructure. The BFGO provider will create a call identifier, configure BFGO, set up BFGO deadlines, and establish BFGO workflows. To ensure a smooth application process, the BFGO provider and Secretariat Coordinator will submit test registrations and proposals after the BFGO system has been configured. Aside from the registration and application forms, which are needed earlier to prepare the BFGO system, the Thematic Program Office and the Secretariat Coordinator should finalize and collate the other call documents prior to sending them to the BFGO provider. This ensures efficiency and reduces errors caused by posting multiple versions of call documents. Next, the call badge will be created. Each collaborative research action has an associated image to advertise and identify the call. The BFGO provider will work with the Secretariat Coordinator under the Thematic Program Office to select an image and provide a call badge consistent with the badges of other calls. The Secretariat Coordinator and the BFGO provider will work hand in hand to release the call. The BFGO provider will add the CRA and call documents to belmontforum.org, link the BFGO to the call documents, and open BFGO to accept registrations. The Secretariat Coordinator under the Theme Program Office send the BFGO provider a list of people, including the Secretariat Coordinator, Thematic Program Office, and select group of Program Coordinator members who need access to registrations, applications, and future project reports. The BFGO provider sets up permissions and communicates login credentials to new users. As the call is announced, the Thematic Program Office should begin organizing the review process. By the time the call closes, the Thematic Program Office should have set the date of the Panel of Experts meeting and appointed the chair of the Panel of Experts. Now let's take a look at the proposal ingress phase of the application process. The Thematic Program Office and the Secretariat Coordinator, together with the BFGO provider and the group of program coordinators, all play a key role in this phase of the process. During the proposal ingress phase, the BFGO provider and the Secretariat Coordinator maintain a help desk system to assist users in the application and review process. At the deadline, BFGO prevents the submissions of new registrations. After review, the Thematic Program Office sends the list of full proposal invitees to the Secretariat Coordinator, who communicates this information and any updated timelines to the BFGO provider. The BFGO provider promotes registrations to full proposals. For more information on this process, please consult the Application Review Guide. The Thematic Program Office informs the consortium leads of the registration decision and extends an invitation with the full proposal timeline to invitees. At the deadline, BFGO prevents the submission of new proposals. BFGO allows applicants to submit, retract, and resubmit applications until the application deadline. Occasionally, applicants will retract and forget to resubmit their applications. The BFGO provider will investigate retracted applications and notify the Secretariat Coordinator of any outliers. The Thematic Program Office decides the status of these applications. If needed, the Thematic Program Office informs the Secretariat Coordinator and the BFGO provider of the new deadlines. The BFGO provider updates BFGO with new information. If just a subset of applications need an extension, the Thematic Program Office provides the Secretariat Coordinator and the BFGO provider with the email addresses and application IDs available in the report section of BFGO that need to be extended. The BFGO provider arranges for applications extensions of just those applicants. The Thematic Program Office and the Secretariat Coordinator may communicate with applicants in whatever fashion best suits their workflow. BFGO provides applicant contact information via the application reports that can be found under Reports and within that, Applications. Additionally, the BFGO provider can send out emails to all or a subset of applicants. Now let's take a quiz to test what you have learned. Question 1. In creating the call documents, the Thematic Program Office should A. Create their own, B. Work from call documents from a previous CRA, or C. Obtain and modify boilerplates and templates from the SAC. The answer is C. The Thematic Program Office should obtain and modify boilerplates and templates from the Secretariat Coordinator. Question 2. Which actors are involved in the call opening preparation process? A. The Thematic Program Office. B. The group of program coordinators. C. The BFGO provider. D. The Secretariat Coordinator. Or E. All of the above. The answer is E. All of the above. For more information, please consult the BFGO guide available at www.belmontforum.org/resources. For programmatic questions, please email info@belmontforum.org. For BFGO systems questions, please email help@bfgo.org. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the application process.